Hey everyone! In this video I'll tell you how to clean the brake caliper of a car from rust and dirt for subsequent painting. In the previous video I showed how I removed this caliper from my Audi A6 C5. It's naturally rusty and has remnants of old paint. Now let's try to clean it without using sandpaper, a grinder or a sandblasting machine. For the experiment, I decided to try cleaning this part using water electrolysis. First, you need to prepare a salt solution. For this, I am using regular water and calcined soda. Then, for every 10 liters of water and 100 grams of calcined soda, mix the solution well. As a power source, you can use any 12-volt power supply. I am using an 12-volt computer power supply for this. For the clamps, I am using alligator clips. The anode is the positive and the cathode is the negative. First, I connect the clamps to the power supply. The black one will be the negative and the red one will be the positive. The wires are connected, and after that we hang any metal object, like a piece of tin, and the anode positive. This is where the rust from the cleaned part will transfer to. Next, you need to attach the part you are going to clean to the negative clamp, cathode. For the example, I took a pin from the caliper. Remember that the parts should not touch each other. Charges will transfer from negative to positive, removing dirt and rust. Now we turn on the power supply and see how ions gradually transfer from the part to the positive wire. The dirt gradually flakes off. After 10 minutes, you can see that all the rust is in the water. After another 20 minutes, you can see that even more rust has come on the part. I took out the cleaned part. As you can see, there is no rust even in the metal pores. To clean the caliper, I had to use a larger container, connect a piece of tin to the positive side and attach the caliper to the negative clamp. After 2 hours, I took out the caliper. As you can see, the part is clean and ready for further priming and painting. For comparison, let's look at the caliper that hasn't undergone water electrolysis and the one that has been cleaned. In my opinion, it's a good method that you can see if you don't want to buy a sandblaster and spend time and effort on surface grinding. That's it for now. See you in the next video.